Have you ever wondered how to create a successful YouTube channel? Well, the journey begins by establishing the foundation, and that foundation is a Gmail account. Yes, the very first step to creating a YouTube channel is having a Gmail account. This isn't just a random requirement, but it's because YouTube is a Google product and thus, it's all interconnected. If you don't already have a Gmail account, don't worry, it's not rocket science. All you need to do is head to Gmail's homepage. There, you'll find an option to create an account. You'll be asked to fill in some basic information such as your first and last name, your desired email address, and a password. Remember, choose a password that's strong and secure, but also something you won't easily forget. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click on the Next button. You'll be asked to verify your phone number, and once that's done, congratulations. You are now the proud owner of a brand new Gmail account. Okay, so now that you have your Gmail account, what's next? Well, it's time to log into YouTube. Head over to YouTube's homepage and click on the Sign In button on the top right corner. You'll be directed to a page where you can enter your Gmail address and password. Once you've entered those, hit the Next button. And voila, you are now logged into YouTube. But wait, don't get too excited just yet. Logging in is just the first step. The real adventure begins from here. From deciding the type of content you want to create, setting up your profile, uploading your first video, to promoting your channel, there's a lot to do. And remember, creating a successful YouTube channel is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of learning. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through each step. So you have successfully logged into YouTube. What comes next? Let's find out. Now you're logged in, but what will you post about? This is one of the most crucial decisions you'll make as a budding YouTuber. The kind of content you choose to produce will define your channel and draw in your audience. Do you have a passion for cooking, a knack for DIY crafts, or a fascination with technology? Maybe you're a thrill seeker with a love for extreme sports, or perhaps you're a comedian, ready to tickle the world's funny bone. Whatever your interest, there's likely an audience for it on YouTube, but it's not enough to just pick a topic. You need to research and gather resources to ensure your content is not only engaging, but also accurate and informative. Finally, think about how you can add your own unique spin to make your channel stand out from the crowd. Remember, your content is the heart of your channel. Make it count. With your content decided, it's time to set up your profile. Now, let's walk through the process of creating an engaging YouTube profile that resonates with your audience and reflects your brand. First things first, choosing a name for your channel. This isn't as simple as it sounds. Your channel's name is your first impression. It's what people see in the search results, and it's the first thing they'll see when they visit your channel. It should be catchy, yet meaningful. Something that reflects the essence of your content and is memorable for your audience. After selecting a name, it's time to craft a compelling channel description. This is where you tell your potential subscribers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. It's your chance to sell your channel to the viewers. Remember, you only have a few seconds to capture their interest, so make it count. In the description, include keywords related to your content. This will make your channel more discoverable in YouTube's search results. But don't just stuff keywords. Make sure your description is clear, concise, and engaging. Next, let's talk about your channel profile. This includes your profile picture and banner. These are the visual elements of your channel, and they should reflect your brand's personality. A professional, high-quality profile picture and banner can significantly increase your channel's appeal. Your profile picture, often a logo or a face, should be simple and clear. The banner, on the other hand, is a great place to showcase more details about your channel. You can include your posting schedule, social media handles, or a catchy tagline. Setting up your YouTube profile is an essential step in building your YouTube presence. It's your channel's storefront, your audience's first point of contact with your brand. So, take your time, be creative, and make it as appealing and professional as you can. Remember, a well-crafted YouTube profile doesn't just make your channel look good. It makes you stand out, it tells your story, and it gives people a reason to subscribe, so make it count. A well-set profile can attract more viewers, make it appealing. Your channel is set. Now let's get your content out there. It's time to take that leap and upload your first video. But how do you go about it? It's simpler than you think. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create icon. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video. You'll then be directed to the upload page. Here you can either drag and drop your video file, or click on Select Files to browse, and choose the video from your device. But wait, uploading is just one part of the equation. You're also going to need to make sure your content is high quality. Why, you ask? Well, viewers today have a myriad of options at their fingertips, and if your video isn't up to par, they'll simply move on to the next one. So, invest in a good camera, learn some basic editing skills, and ensure your audio is clear and crisp. Now let's talk about making your content interesting and entertaining. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think about what makes you unique and how you can incorporate that into your videos. Whether it's your humor, your knowledge on a particular subject, or your storytelling skills, use it to your advantage. Don't forget about the importance of your video's title, description, and tags. These elements are crucial in helping your video appear in search results and attracting viewers. Make your title catchy but clear, your description informative yet concise, and your tags relevant to your content. Finally, while it might be tempting to upload all your videos at once, resist the urge. Instead, plan a schedule and stick to it. This not only keeps your viewers engaged but also indicates to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility. So there you have it. Uploading your first content might seem daunting, but with these tips, you're well on your way to making a great impression on your viewers. Remember, your video quality can make or break your channel's success. You've got great content up, but how do you get viewers? Your great content deserves an audience, and promotion is your golden ticket to getting your channel noticed. You may wonder, how do I start promoting my channel? Well, let's dive into it. One of the most effective ways to promote your channel is through social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn can be great places to share your content. You can create posts that link back to your YouTube videos, and these posts can be shared, retweeted, or reposted by your followers, helping you reach a larger audience. But remember, it's not just about posting and hoping for the best, it's about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, start conversations, and be an active part of your online community. This interaction not only increases your visibility, but also builds a stronger connection with your viewers. Another great promotion strategy is encouraging your viewers to share your videos. At the end of your videos, make a call to action. Ask your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. When your viewers engage with your content, YouTube's algorithm sees this as a positive signal. This can help your videos appear in more recommended feeds, leading to more views and subscribers. Cross-promotion is also a powerful tool. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can help you tap into their audience and vice versa. You could guest star in each other's videos or mention each other in your content. This is a win-win situation as it helps both channels reach a wider audience. Finally, consider paid promotions. Services like Google Ads can help you reach a targeted audience who are likely to be interested in your content. While this does require an investment, it can result in a significant increase in views and subscribers if done correctly. Promotion is key to getting your channel noticed. Don't be shy to share your content. Remember, the world needs to see your great content, so start promoting and let's get those views rolling in. Finally, how do you keep your channel growing? Well, the secret sauce is consistency. Consistency in posting videos, consistency in the quality of your content, and consistency in interacting with your viewers. It's like a garden. You can't just plant the seeds and walk away. You need to water it, nurture it, and give it time to grow. And just like a garden, your channel will have its seasons. Some videos might bloom instantly while others take a little more time. That's why it's crucial to always be open to learning and improving. Use your analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Listen to your viewers' feedback. They're your audience after all. They'll let you know what they want to see more of. Don't be afraid of trial and error. It's part of the process. It's how you grow. It's how you get better. Remember, consistency is king. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep creating amazing content.